In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the citation tool in Google Docs. By the end, you'll know how to add in-text citations and generate a polished bibliography without wrestling with formatting. Start by opening the Google Docs document where you want to manage your references. With your document open, head to the top menu and choose Tools, then Citations. This opens the Citations sidebar on the right, which is your workspace for collecting and inserting sources. Next, click the +Add Citation Source button. You'll be asked to choose what kind of source you're citing, such as a book, a website, or a journal article. Picking the correct type helps Google Docs format your citations accurately. You'll then see fields for details like author, title, publication date, publisher, and, for websites, the URL. Fill in as much information as you can. The more complete the details, the cleaner and more reliable your citation will be. When you're done, click Add Citation Source. Your new source will appear in the sidebar, ready to use. When you want to insert an in-text citation, place your cursor exactly where the citation should appear in your paragraph. Then, in the citation sidebar, find your source and click Cite. Google Docs will insert a properly formatted in-text citation at your cursor position. This saves you from guessing punctuation and order, and it keeps your document consistent from one citation to the next. Repeat that process for each source you plan to cite. You can add as many sources as you need to the sidebar and cite them throughout your document. It's a good habit to add and cite sources as you go, so you don't miss anything later. Once you've added your in-text citations, it's time to create the bibliography. Place your cursor where you want the list of sources to appear, typically at the end of your document on a new page, and then click Insert Bibliography at the bottom of the Citations sidebar. Google Docs will generate a clean, formatted bibliography that corresponds to the sources you cited. One of the best parts is that your bibliography updates automatically. If you add more citations later or remove ones you no longer need, the bibliography will reflect those changes without you having to reformat anything. This ensures your references stay accurate and complete as your document evolves. That's all there is to it. Open your document, use tools and citations, add sources, insert citations where they belong, and generate an automatically updating bibliography to finish strong.